Can't stop the fun when business isn't and can stop the joy. When you worry no more, don't settle for then comfy business. Let's go to trustworthy and bliss. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, building business, building future. Oh, ZY, ZY, business, ZY, ZY, not just for business, but a stable one. ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Whoa, oh, 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 all you need is ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Be your major distributor.
And yes, this 2026, mine ka ng mine online. Add to cart ng add to cart. Why not this 2026? You'll start your own RTW franchise with our damitan and sapatusan business na sobrang trending at in-demand items. Quality na ready-to-wear clothes and footwear that customers surely love. Fast-moving and high turnover, everyday essential with high demand and repeat customer, profitable and easy to manage, low hassle, high profit potential, and perfect for any location. Ang maganda sa ZY Shop franchise packages, low investment, high returns. You can start your business with an affordable investment, complete business support. We provide trainings, inventory guidance, and continuous support. At the same time, we will help you when it comes with your marketing and promotion, ready to use marketing materials and online promotion. And of course, exclusive territory. Be the leader in your area with exclusive rights. Naka-contract tayo dyan. At the same time, you can be part of a trusted brand that is growing for 12 years. 12 years na kami sa industriya. And yes, welcome ka na maging part ng next 12 years journey namin. So be your own boss, work with purpose, live with freedom. So ano nga ba at sino nga ba si Seaway Shop Worldwide Company? So Seaway Shop Worldwide Company is founded way back 2014. Seaway Shop Worldwide Company is one of the Philippines' leading business development and private label solution providers for over 12 years. We empower aspiring entrepreneurs with complete business packages, quality products, training, and continuous support, helping thousands build successful and sustainable businesses. Who we are? Seaway Shop Worldwide Company is a proudly Filipino-owned enterprise dedicated to helping entrepreneurs build and grow their own businesses through innovative solutions and world-class products. Our vision is to become Asia's most trusted business development company by creating successful entrepreneurs through innovation, quality products, and sustainable business opportunities. Our mission? We empower aspiring entrepreneurs by providing them complete business solutions from products, sourcing, and manufacturing to branding, marketing, training, and continuous business support. What makes us different? 12 years na kami sa industry. 12 years of business excellence, complete business system, private label manufacturing, direct importation program, business coaching and mentorship, digital marketing and branding support, nationwide and international shipment. Our core services, private label manufacturing for your skincare and cosmetic needs. And of course, meron tayong direct importation of RTW's footwear, fashion and lifestyle products, franchise packages na sobrang profitable and scalable business opportunities, brand development, logo packaging, branding, and product launching, marketing solutions such as social media, content creation, photo and video, business consultancy such as coaching, market research, and business growth. We are trusted by 1,000 plus successful entrepreneur, 1,000 plus products available nationwide, and international shipping is available with us. We are trusted partner of thousands of Filipino families. And of course, a portion of our company's profit napupunta yan sa ating mga outreach program to support outreach programs, educational assistance, feeding initiatives, and community development project that creates lasting positive impact. So, by the way, I am Ms. Ram. I am Mary Rose Ram Dagdag, entrepreneur, brand builder, an inspiring leader. My journey from entrepreneur to brand builder, from a dream and a vision to creating a real opportunities, my mission has always been clear: to empower entrepreneurs, build successful brand, and create a legacy of purpose. I don't just build brand here. I build people, dreams, and a better future. With 12 plus years of experience in beauty and business industry, thousands of entrepreneurs are being empowered. Innovation driven skincare solution, faith driven, purposeful leadership, and a global vision with a Filipino heart and a world class standard. For me, success is not measured by what we achieve, but by how many lives we inspire along the way. So why franchise Seaway Shop? Of course, your success is our mission. Proven na ang business model namin dito. We have our training, marketing support, product sourcing, and business community. And of course, wag na wag ka nang magpahuli, baka maunahan ka pa nila. Limited lang ang franchise slots natin nationwide. Naghahanap kami ng provincial, city at sub-franchisee. Habang nag-iisip ka pa, may mga negosyo nang nagre-reserve ng kanilang area, kaya ano pang hinihintay mo, mag-reserve ka na din ng area mo. Sa provincial franchise, syempre ikaw na ang magkikater sa ating mga city franchisee. At kung ikaw ay city franchisee, ikaw na magkikater sa ating mga sub-franchisee. Sobrang growing talaga. At syempre, meron tayong bonus dyan. Buy one, take one. You can get a free sari-sari store startup package kapag inavail mo ang aming provincial, city, or sub-franchisee. Araw-araw may areas na nag-reserve. Baka pag ready ka na, sarado na ang gusto mong location. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Message us today at magsimula ka na ng sarili mong Seaway Shop franchise dyan sa lugar mo. No? You can start your own business this 2026 and now is the right time para baguhin ang buhay mo at ng pamilya mo with our special promo. Again, kapag inavail mo ang aming RTW Damitan Sapatusan franchise package, ikaw na ang magkikater sa lugar mo. Hahanapan na din natin ng resellers ang area mo. Siyempre, gagawin natin ang group chat yan with your resellers. Ikaw na ang magpo-provide at magsusustain at magsusupply sa kanila. So, kung reseller ka, bakit ka pa magre-reseller? Kung ngayon, kaya mo nang maging supplier with the help of Seaway Shop Worldwide Company Franchise Program. So ano nga ba ang mga franchise opportunities na available sa amin? Meron kaming 25K business franchise package na merong package A of 200 pieces branded overruns or package B na may mix RTW na may 40 men's shirt, 40 lady shirt, 5 men's shirt, 5 lady shirt, 5 dress, 5 pants, 5 polo shirt at 5 Havaiana slippers. Or kung gusto mo naman ang patok na aming 160 pieces small pull-out shirt. At the same time, meron tayong Damitan at Sapatusan business package for as low as 15,000 pesos. Ito, limited time offer lang. Meron siyang 12 shoes at 50 shirts with surprise freebies. Free grocery package pa yan. Free shipping nationwide. Pwede ka pang magpapalat ng items na hindi mo maibenta at free marketing webinars through our Zoom meeting. At the same time, meron tayo dito mga assorted brands packages na available, ano? Meron tayong original factory excess branded overruns na merong puhunan package na 1,500, 12 pieces na yan. Starter package na 3,100, 25 pieces na yan. Business package na merong 50 pieces na 6,100 at resellers package na 12,000 pesos at distributorship package na 23,500 pesos. All are 100% original factory excess branded overruns. At syempre, meron tayong mga 3,500 negosyo deals sa sorted items bundle na meron tayong mga t-shirt, cargo short, board short, kids dress, Havaianas at kids shirts na available. Free shipping nationwide din yan. Of course, our purpose or our mission is to grow your brand. Smart strategy, stronger brand, bigger success. So, tutulungan ka namin kung paano nga ba ang Facebook marketing, TikTok marketing, influencer marketing, media launching, and website support. Kapag ikaw ay provincial city or sub-franchisee, syempre may tulong na marketing yan. Dito sa Ziway Shop, hindi ka lang nagnenegosyo, nakakatulong ka pa dahil 20% of our profit goes to our outreach program. Commit to the Lord whatever you do and He will establish your plans. Diba? So at Ziway Shop Foundation, we believe that true success is not measured by profit alone, but by the lives we touch and how we share it. Through outreach programs, scholarship, and livelihood projects, we are committed to empower communities and creating a brighter future for every Filipino families. Building businesses with a purpose, transforming lives, and serving the communities. And of course, sobrang dami na ng ating mga success stories. You can visit seawayshop.net or seawayshop.com for our 12 years of trust and transformation. So, how to start your business with Ziway Shop? Simple lang. Mag-send ka ng message directly, contact our team, and discover the best packages for your goal. Open tayo for Zoom call, one-on-one Zoom meeting. At the same time, package selection, choose the package or business package that fits your budget. Production and business setup, we prepare the products, branding, marketing materials, and business assets for you. And syempre, grand launching agad. Start selling, continuous mentoring, marketing support, and nationwide business assistance. So, ang maganda dito, business consultation, branding support, marketing assistance, nationwide shipping, and lifetime community support. Dito lang yan sa Ziway Shop Worldwide Company. At syempre, sobrang dami na ng Ziway Shop actual branches nationwide. Kaya kung interested ka na magsimula na din ang sarili mong damitan at sapatusan business, may chocolate package pang kasama. Kung interested ka, message us directly kung saan mo napapanood ang video na to, dito sa YouTube channel or dito sa aming FB page or dito sa aming TikTok account. Mag-message ka lang directly at magsimula ka na ng sarili mong Ziway Shop franchise ngayong 2026. So maraming salamat for watching. May have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you!
Can't stop the fun when business isn't and can stop the joy.